many people have long darts, non-step and non-rival darts?
Oh, he's got long darts.
That's one person.
And then you also have long darts.
Two
He
people.
does. Three people.
Two people.
And there's three long darts. Who have long darts?
You know what? You'd be a mod. We'll have you only walking once you get 3 hits. You take a stun. And then you can let go of the zombie or they can win you down.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to be inside. Humans will be stuck inside the circle. You guys have played the beginning of this, right? The beginning of the respawn. This is a semi-safe zone up to the big circle. When I yell shrink, it goes down to this circle.
Oh yeah.
Does that make sense? If you're a zombie, you need to leave the circle. If you're a zombie, you need to leave the circle to respawn. You also have a special zombie.
Oh yeah.
You have to hit 3 times to stun him with anything. You take it 3 times. He's going to be walking and needs 3 hits to be stunned. He'll count them, maybe even out loud. Any zombie he's touching, you can touch up to 1 zombie with each hand. That zombie's invincible.
Oh.
Yes.
We know much about Iowa, but remind everyone who doesn't know what a semi-safe zone is.
Yeah, so, well, zombies who get tagged in this zone or get tagged 3 times have to leave the zone to unstun. Put your hands in the air and head out of the circle. Hands in the air, once you're out of the circle, put your hands down, you're ready to attack. It is going to be this circle, and then you hear me yell shrink, it is this circle. I will give a warning before the shrink happens, because if there are humans over there, they're going to want to get inside the circle probably. Yeah? I'll start counting down before I yell shrink. That means humans might want to get in the smaller circle. So right now it's the big circle. Let's get humans in the center. Zombies on the outside. So yeah, so you guys I'm you. I'm always you.
I don't believe you. I'm not. Wait, you got the fan.
Remember to use zombies. How many zombies we got? Zombies! Zombies over here! You said at least 2 zombies tagged 3 times. So, everybody listen up. 3 times. You put his hand in the air and start walking back. If you're a zombie, you have to hit him up. And go to his baseball until he puts his hand in the air. And it's your call. You are not stunned unless somebody then shoots you, right? You are yet or not, but you are, you go attack, you can now, you are no longer invulnerable. Somebody hits me, they hit me, hands in the air. Now if you hit me, I'm going back. Does that make sense? You're body over your shoulders.
I got a question.
Oh, question.
How many people can...
One with each hand. I'm getting a lot of... I just got it. 3, 2,